What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Skeleton Time coming. And today, we are going to look at Halloween decorations and some Carbon X. Join me as we venture off into this land. Yeah!
Son, what's going on here? You ain't your boy B. Davis. I am your boy B. Davis. And welcome back to another episode of Shifting. Long time coming, yeah. And today we gonna talk about, wait, there you go, Halloween decorations. And plus, we're gonna talk about and throw down our favorite. Cause your boy's excited. Are you excited about this one? You about the skeleton man? You excited about this one? Yeah, I am. Carbon X, baby. Let's go. That's right, guys. You heard it true. Today, I am finally going to get to put down some Carbon X. I have been waiting on this for a very long time. I've been waiting on this for a long time. I've had this Carbon X sitting here in my garage for a long time. And I finally get a chance to finally just throw it down. But first, before I do that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss not an episode when I upload to this channel. Also, if you're not new, if you're already a subscriber, thank you. I appreciate it. Hit that bell icon also. As I always tell people, I got affiliate links right down below in the description below. You go check them out. Maybe you might want to get some Carbon X. I got it down below. Maybe you might want to get some other things. I got it down below. Maybe you might want to get a shirt. I got it down below. Just give it a look. You know, if it's not up to your speed, up to your style, that's all right. That's cool. I appreciate you guys just clicking on my channel and just watching your boy every week doing what he got to do, handling business. So thank you. I have something here that is very, very exciting. Let me get a little close to you. Very, very exciting. Yeah. This is from my main man, Jason. He hooked your boy up. Him and I are going to do an experiment, and we're going to see what we can do here. Let me show you guys what this is first. Don't behave. Yeah. Y'all see what this is? It's that good stuff. It's that real good stuff. Take a look at that. What do y'all see? I know for a fact my cool season folks know exactly what this is. This right here is from the Super Seed store. This is KBG Midnight Bewitch Blue Note. Woo!
Jet flying, son of a gun, they call, woo, the nature boy.
Can it grow in southern lawns? We're gonna find out if it can. When that video drop, that's gonna be a hot one. You guys wanna make sure that you don't miss when that video drop. It ain't gonna drop now. I'm gonna wait on it. I'm gonna just wait on it. And then when the time is right, where everything lines up, when the stars is aligned, when the clouds is no longer in the sky, it's just blueness. I'm gonna take it. Drip, 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 drip. Jason, thank you. We are going to do this. We are going to get this going. And we're going to see if we can get some KBG growed up in the south somewhere, in some southern line. And when that time do come, oh, I'm coming after all you boys with KBG. I'm coming after all y'all with Talk Fescue. I'm coming after all y'all with Ryegrass. I'm coming after all y'all with the mix of it. I will be the cool season king in the south. That's who I would be. Ain't nothing y'all can do about it. Ain't nothing you can do about it, Ryan. Ain't nothing you can do about it, Connor. Ain't nothing you can do about it, Striper Man. Ain't nothing you can do about it, Line Whisper. It ain't nothing you can do about Line Guardian. It ain't nothing. Not even Ben from Line Tips. There's nothing he can do about it either. Forever. That was a lie. I never wanted someone to. That's that Eminem, son. I can't get no cutting done with Stuntmaster back there enticing me with the beer. Yeah, the beer. You guys can probably see a little bit. I still have some brown that's popping up through. Not a lot, not as much as it was last week or whatnot, because that image is starting to work itself through, you know, but the green is starting to pop up. And that's what the carbonette's gonna be. Yo, what up, George? That's what the carbonette's gonna be for and everything. It's gonna push all that green and blow it up. All right, guys, so we are gonna take a pause for the calls real quick. We're gonna go into my neighbor's house. I want to show you guys what taking it to that next level is when it comes to this Halloween decorations. I want to show you guys what time it is. I'm just a guy just trying to get it in out there, just put a couple things out for Halloween. But this right here, somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. Having an issue with which grass is the thickest grass. I think we all know, I mean, that St. Aug is the thickest grass out there. But there's a thing going on with Jeremy the Greener Lawn, News Perspective Lawn Care, Lazy Lawns, and they going around with an egg, throwing it up and dropping it down into the grass to see how thick it is, if the egg will crack or not. Come on, boys. Y'all already know. St. August the thickest you got. Look at this. Y'all ready to do that? Let's go get an egg. But we gotta sneak into it. Can't let the missus know. Here we go. Shh. Take my shoes off. She goes crazy if I don't.
Hello?
Huh?
You coming for me?
Oh, no. I'm just checking to make sure how's everything going.
Y'all got pants
All right. I didn't know that. Hey, everything all right?
Yeah.
All right. How's everything going? Good?
Yeah. Did you do something you weren't supposed to do?
No.
You're suspicious.
No.
Huh?
Oh, yeah. Wow, what is that? Oh, wow, yeah. I see. Yeah, good job, kiddo. All right, hold on. I'll be right back. Yeah. What?
Come here.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm recording.
What's in your hand?
Nothing's in my hand.
What's in your butthole?
That's my phone, dear.
You're doing something. You went in the fridge very suspiciously.
Whew, we almost didn't make it. Almost got caught. But this is what you're looking for, huh? This right here. Should I just... Uh-oh. I just cracked it with my ring. But that's okay. That just makes it even better because look, It's cracked already with my ring. Here we go. You saw that bounce? Jeremy of the green line. You saw that bounce? Y'all ain't got that bounce. That's that Kobe bounce. I do it again. There it is right there, God. This bag right here is 24% nitrogen, is 0% phosphorus, and is 4% potash or potassium. There you go. I have a scale that can tell me the weight and when I get exactly to 3 pounds. So I have here, we want to put it down at a rate of 3 pounds per 1,000. That's the recommended rate. So that's 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. And what that would give you, if my math's correct, that would give you 0.72, almost 3/4 of nitrogen going down in the grass. 0.72. That's really what you want. To keep my math, oh, hold on.
Hello, Mr. Extra Crispy Boy.
What's up, Mike?
How you doing, man?
Man, I'm out here recording a video right now, son. So you better get ready to be on it coming up. For those people who don't know, I got the man, the myth, the legend on this phone, Michael, aka Lawn Care Addicts. Here he is. You want to say something to the people in the YouTube world?
Enjoy the video, guys. Get extra crispy, make it green, and watch my man, Brandon Davis. He'll show you how to do it.
Woo!
Everybody.
Let me pause it. All right, now that we got our 6 pounds per 1,000, well, 3 pounds per 1,000, I should say. So 6 pounds would be 2,000 square feet, because 3 pounds covers 1,000 square feet. So I need 2,000 square feet. So that's another 3 pounds. So that's 6 pounds, 2,000 square feet. This is my earthway spreader right here, as you guys already know. Spreader settings. So according to a lawn care nut, he said that we could set it for 16. So right here is 15. Anywhere between that 16 play mark there. Screw that on there tight. There you go. Check out them pearls. They're open. They're closed. Open. And now we're ready to pour. £6 per 2,000. Boys and girls, always remember to blow your Carbon X back into your grass, so that way the edges can become extra crispy. Yeah. 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 It's definitely not Christmas time. Yes. Here we are. So, you guys might be looking like, where the hell did you get this lawnmower from? This is one of, like, I think a 04, 05 Honda GCB mower. My neighbor, well, my grandmother's neighbors set it out, so I went over there and talked to him. He was like, oh, it works. He said the only problem is that the RPMs seem like it doesn't give you the kick as much as it used to be. He said it's like real slow, you know, like you really want to stop. So I said, let's figure it out. So I took it and I'm going to remodel this one. You guys will see that happen live in action. I will remodel this one. If I can't get my hands on it as much as I want, I'll pass them on to somebody else. But here it is, $3 and 3 cents. Bada bang, bada boom. Just like that. Carbon X is down. Halloween decorations is up. I kept it simple, but I want to do a little something right here for you guys, you know. And would this be a little bit too much for the kids? Whatever, you know. My 2-year-old loves it. So there you go, a little something for you guys for Halloween this year. You know, I think it's pretty neat, little skeleton and everything, kind of running the guy over, you know. On that note, this has been another episode of Long Time Coming with your boy B Davis and Mr. Skeleton here, who's clearly committing murder. Sounds way worse now that I'm saying it out loud. Oh well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.